Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we are about to embark on an extraordinary voyage into the realm of luxury and extravagance. Today we invite you to join us as we uncover the most awe-inspiring mansions from around the globe. From historical estates to modern marvels, prepare to be dazzled as we unveil the cream of upland living. In this segment, we are taking you back in time to explore mansions that have stood the test of time, preserving their historical significance and timeless beauty. Wander through intricate architectural details, lush gardens, and ornate bar rooms that have hosted generations of celebrations. Get ready to be transported to an aristocracy and elegance. Modern luxury takes center stage in this segment as we delve into the world of contemporary mansions that redefine sophistication. Feast your eyes on sleek lines, innovative materials, and cutting edge technology that seamlessly blend with the surroundings landscapes from infinite pools with breathtaking views to state of the art home theaters. These mansions are a testament to modern opulence. I hope this collection of pictures of modern mansions will be very helpful for you to choose the best mansions for you. So tell me your best design in the comment section and like and subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel. We will meet you in next video. Thanks for watching the complete video. Thank you.